Dongguan Haosen Metal Jewelry Company Limited, established in 2011, specializes in the design and production of high-quality fashion jewelry. Our product range includes necklaces, rings, earrings, bracelets, cufflinks, and brooches, crafted from materials such as stainless steel, brass, alloy, silver, natural stone, enamel, and plated finishes. These materials are carefully selected for durability and can maintain their color for 1 to 2 years. With over a decade of experience, we have gained the trust and loyalty of customers worldwide through our exceptional product quality and innovative designs. All our jewelry undergoes rigorous testing, with test reports available for every product. To ensure the highest standards, we conduct a 48-hour salt spray test on all items. Our services include professional customization, where our experienced design team works closely with clients to create jewelry based on specific requirements. Our production team ensures a 100% full inspection for each piece, guaranteeing quality from design to final product. Haosen Jewelry is known for its strong production and design capabilities, stylish designs, reasonable prices, and excellent customer service. We export to over 40 countries, including regions such as Europe, the U.S., Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, Russia, Turkey, the Middle East, and South Africa. Our typical lead time for orders is 30 to 45 days, and we welcome both OEM and ODM projects. With our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, we are confident that you will not only find competitive products, but also receive outstanding service.